Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can equip flexes and sprays on Valorant. So if you go to the collection section here, there is an expressions button. You're just going to select it. And then if you want to equip just stickers, just select the sprays you want, and then select equip on any of the wheels. And then to equip the flex, you're just going to select flex here and select the flex you want. For instance, on this wheel, I want this flex. So I'm just going to select it and I'm going to select equip. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!